We are from Kerala, and our group's name is Indos Rhythms. It's Ind and Aus, I mean India and Australia. Indos, so it's a combination of both the countries here.
Are you based in India or are you based here?
No, we are based here. It's a troupe that is formed in Sydney, but we are all from Kerala, which is God's own country.
We are here to maintain the culture and tradition of Kerala here.
And you're here to welcome Mr. Modi also, I hope.
We are so excited to welcome him.
Is that your way of welcoming him? How does it feel? That was really energetic. How does it feel?
Showing our happiness on the drums.
That's right.
That was a beautiful way of expressing this. All these people that were dancing here, are they part of your group or they're just general
No,
public?
they're just from the general public who have come and danced.
And from this, we are also requesting Modi ji to have dual citizenship sanctions and also low corruption in India. No corruption at all. Corruption.
Drums, you're getting that message across.
Exactly.
Now that's why.
No corruption.
And do you think Modi ji will do that?
Of course, he's going to do it. Yes.
Sure, he will definitely.
We are excited.
for the best.
Great, thank you.
We believe the respect to the protect the people, poor people in India. That's Modi.
That's him. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Good luck. Thank you.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और यहाँ पे जिस तरह का माहौल है ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये एक फेस्टिवल का माहौल है यहाँ पे और यह दिवाली होली में भी इतना माहौल ऐसा देखने को नहीं मिलता चाहे ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लोग हो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बाहर के लोग सभी एक्साइटेड हैं और जब इतने सारे लोग एक छत पे आ जाते हैं वीकडे होने के बावजूद भी इतनी भीड़ है यहाँ पे फेस्टिवल का माहौल बना हुआ है तो जाहिर तौर पर बहुत ही खुशी महसूस हो रही है और उम्मीद यही है कि जो नरेंद्र मोदी यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं इंडिया को अब ग्लोबल एरिना पे नंबर 1 बनाने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे।
तो आपको इतने सारे इंडियंस को यहाँ पर देखकर कोई 20-25 हजार लोग हैं यहाँ पे, आपको घर की याद आ रही है? आपको लग रहा है आप घर पे ही हैं?
ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि हम लोग कहीं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है क्योंकि ये पूरा लग रहा है कि हम लोग इस समय पे इंडिया के अंदर ही हैं। इंडिया की कोई ये जगह है जहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा फंक्शन हो रहा है, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी भाषण देने वाले हैं। फर्क है तो सिर्फ इतना फर्क है कि प्रधानमंत्री अब किसी भारत से यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ की जो फील है वो यही कह रही है कि लग रहा है कि हम इंडिया के अंदर ही मौजूद हैं और इंडिया के अंदर ही फंक्शन हो रहा है। 25,000 लोग मायने रखता है। मेडिसन स्क्वायर जो रविवार को हुआ था और पूरी उम्मीद है कि ये जो यहाँ एल्फोंस एरिना में होने वाला है मेडिसन स्क्वायर को भी टक्कर देगा और इसे मेडिसन स्क्वायर 2.0 का भी नाम दिया जा रहा है। जिन लोगों ने मेडिसन स्क्वायर को मिस किया था वो यहाँ एल्फोंस एरिना में इस जगह को देख करके या मोदी जी के भाषण को सुन करके उस दिन की जो याद है उसे वापस ताज़ा कर सकते हैं। जो लोग मिस कर गए उसको वापस से वो लोग पकड़ सकते हैं।
जी, मेरे ख्याल से भी इंडियन मीडिया और ऑस्ट्रेलियन मीडिया दोनों इस बात को मानेगी कि हम सब यही उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि जो मेडिसिन स्क्वायर का था उससे हम लोग यहाँ पे बेटर करें और ये रिसेप्शन उससे बेटर हो। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग ऑल द वे फ्रॉम इंडिया टू कवर दिस इवेंट। वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वाचिंग इट ऑन दूरदर्शन एज वेल। थैंक यू। हाय, वेयर हैव यू गाइस कम फ्रॉम?
Parramatta, Sydney.
And you're here to watch Mr. Modi's speak and give his address?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
What about you all?
Yeah, we are very excited to see Modi and listen what he is going to say today.
What do you think he's going to say about the India-Australia relationship? Any guesses? He's got an answer. आपने कुछ कहा? What's your name? Okay, what's your name?
My name is Harshil.
And what are you here for?
To watch Modi's show.
And you?
My name is Yash and I'm here to watch Modi's show.
Have you seen an event of this larger scale happen here in Australia for an Indian political leader?
No, never. Last 26 years. Yeah.
Not only even Indian leader, even in the Australia itself, we have not seen this much gathering. So this is really proud moment for us.
Are you going to join the long queues now? You want to say something?
When did he come? When did he come here?
When did he come? You tell us. I haven't seen him yet.
We're just waiting for him to come and see him.
You're waiting for him to come? Okay, yeah. Any messages for Mr. Modi?
Welcome to Sydney.
Welcome to Sydney and we're looking for a lot of improvements in India. We have a lot of trust in him.
Wonderful. Are you going to join the long queues now?
Yeah.
Good luck. It's very crowded in there. All the best.
Hi. Welcome Modi ji. We are waiting for you. Welcome Modi. 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 Modi.
Modi! Modi! Modi!
एक सवाल आप लोगों से, ये भारत का झंडा आप लोगों ने लिया हुआ है, कुछ लोगों ने, खुशबू गुजरात की भी आ रही है। ये भारत का झंडा आपके लिए क्या मान्यता रखता है? ये भारत का झंडा जो ये लोग लहरा रहे हैं, हम इनसे पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपके लिए, इनके लिए क्या मान्यता रखता है? इंडियन फ्लैग मीन टू यू?
It loves the respect. It means the respect to me.
So this is your way of demonstrating your respect for India? It's your sense of patriotism? What does the Indian flag here mean to you?
हमारे खून में बसा हुआ है पूरा भारत और हम कतरा कतरा बहाने के लिए तैयार है अपने देश के लिए।
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहते हुए कैसे बहाएंगे आप कतरा कतरा?
हम भारत के लिए कुछ करेंगे और जब भी मौका मिलेगा हम भारत के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो करेंगे।
और मोदी के लिए तो स्पेशली हम कुछ करेंगे क्योंकि वो युवा को और यंगस्टर्स को काफ़ी प्रमोट करते हैं और ही इज़ द ओनली प्राइम मिनिस्टर। वो मोदी जी जो है काफ़ी यंगस्टर्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं और मेरे ख्याल से अगले 10 साल में मेरे ख्याल से ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सारे लोग इंडिया चले जाएंगे, यूएसए के सारे इंडिया चले जाएंगे और एक गोरे लोग अपने इंडिया में काम करेंगे।
Wow, that's quite a dream. You know how safety of women has always been a concern in India. We've got a lady over here and we want to just ask her what she thinks would happen because of Modi ji's visit over here. In that connection, in terms of women's safety in India.
I think the women will feel very safe, like Surakshit Bharat, And Modi ji ने अभी थोड़ी देर आने के बाद ही उन्होंने इतना कुछ कर दिया है, and we are very proud of it. And we are very proud. We feel like to go there and feel safe and everything.
So you feel with Modi ji's leadership, women's safety will happen. Not to do with his trip here, but in general with Modi ji's leadership, women will feel a lot safer. Is that what you're saying?
I think so, yeah. A lot safer.
Great, thank you so much.
We are living in a safe country. We are very safe here, but we are going to feel very safe there, as a woman.
Yeah, we hope so. I'm sure the women here would echo the same sentiment. So thank you so much. Thank you. There's a 7-month-old baby here that wants to say something. Well, no, what I meant is the mother wants to say something. What would you like to say?
Modi ji, we love you a lot and we just love you and all the women of India really appreciate and we have an immense respect for you. And your love for women is amazing and you respect all the women. That's what we love and we respect.
His love for women? What does that mean?
In the sense, his respect for women. Sorry, it was wrong. It's all excitement. And he's got an immense respect for women and especially mums. So that's what we appreciate and we wish him all the best and I'm sure he was going to get India to
newer heights.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much. Seems like a flash mob is about to happen and this looks like Shamak Davis group, so just watch out. Can you stay there? We'll have a picture, please. Hi. Stop. Modi. Modi.
Modi, Modi.
That's the Shamak Dawa group here. We have the Shamak Dawa group here that performed to Chak De India, India Wale, Rang De Basanti. Any messages for Mr. Modi?
We love you, Modi, and I'm proud to be an Indian.
Thank you. Thank you. आप लोग ये डांस किसके लिए कर रहे हैं?
शामक के लिए।
और शामक किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? आज कौन आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
मोदी जी, नरेंद्र मोदी, श्री नरेंद्र मोदी।
कौन है वो? इंडिया के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, आपको पता है?
हाँ,
बहुत अच्छे हैं। क्या अच्छा लगा आपको उनके बारे में?
इंडिया के बेस्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर है। Yeah, he is the best. He did the best thing by making India clean up all the rubbish.
Yeah, sweet. So do you want to go back to India and continue this?
Yes.
Thank you. That was lovely. You're all beautiful. It's beautiful. Well done.
Modi rules.
Modi rocks! Well done. Thank you.
We love Modi and he's a great Indian Prime Minister. He is and he will do all the wonders for India. Modi did a great thing by making India clean up all the rubbish.
We love Modi! Modi, you're amazing!
Modi, you are awesome!
Thank you!
Best Prime Minister.
Thank you!
Talk. She wants to talk.
Who wants to talk?
Five, six, 7, 8. We love Modi!
अगर हम आपसे पूछें कि मोदी जी कोई अगर एक चीज आज हमारे लिए कर सकें जो इंडियंस हैं यहाँ पे सेटल्ड अब्रॉड, तो वो क्या होगा आपके विचार में?
मेरे विचार में सबसे पहले तो उनको, जो हिंदुस्तानी यहाँ पर हैं, इतने टैलेंटेड लोग आउटसाइड पड़े हुए हैं, उनको ड्यूल सिटीजनशिप देनी चाहिए ताकि वो कंट्री की प्रोग्रेस के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकें।
और आप लोग जो यहाँ सेटल्ड हैं, एज इन योर पार्ट, जब आप लोग सेटल्ड हैं, अगर ड्यूअल सिटीजनशिप मिल जाए तो आप एज इंडियन सेटल्ड ओवर हियर क्या करेंगे अपने देश के लिए?
We are into innovative here. India needs innovation. India cannot compete with any other country in terms of production. They have to start innovating new things. So we can contribute, we can help India to start innovation there, start a new industry, start a new program there.
And do you think dual citizenship would help making that happen?
I think it will make a connection bit more strong, which will help every Indian to go back to their roots and follow the learning they have it in this country, and then let India flourish as well.
You don't think they can do that as overseas citizens of India, which that's the status they can currently have. So isn't that good enough?
I think it is okay, but it is the motive is not there. You know, when you know you can vote there,
The motivation.
you can vote there, you can do all those things, you can buy property, so your attachment will be a lot more strong.
We tend to agree. We hope Mr. Modi hears this and does something for us. Thank you so much for expressing your views. Thank you. We've got Mr. Mangal and two of his friends, Rishu and Gagan Sharma, who are here all the way from Adelaide to extend their support to Modi ji. How does it feel being here?
Yeah, we feel very happy. Feel very proud that our Prime Minister is visiting here in Sydney, and we are very happy, and we see him here on Pullman Hotel, and we feel proud and we look very close to him, and we are very happy. We travel 1500 kilometers, and we
drove down here, and that was a really hard drive, non-stop, no food, nothing, just to see Modi ji, and we are really grateful for them. They're just here to spend the time with us. We are so happy to see him. He is the best PM of a country, and next 20 years we want them to be a PM. Thank you.
Isn't that wonderful? They've come all the way from Adelaide to see our Prime Minister. Just another question. Do you think the India-Australia's relationship, the way it has been, is going to be improving after this, after his visit over here?
yeah, sure, it is very sure. We are very confident about that it will be improved.
Of course, we have seen in USA, we have seen the news, and we have watched everything what happened when PM visited in USA, and I have seen we were seeing that the people were crazy over there, but here it's everything is changed. I think the visit of Narendra Modi is like the people, the way of the people here from the different cultures. We have traveled from Adelaide, and it's a whole team of 20 people. We are from the members of Hindu Social and Welfare Association, and we're proud to be that Narendra Modi is here. We are happy. We had a chance to meet him very close, and we felt he's the best. All right.
Where did you meet him?
We just met him in the Pullman Hotel.
You actually saw him face to face.
We just saw him
actually saw him
very close.
It was an amazing moment, and we felt really grateful for him.
Just only we were only 15 people over there, and PM pull over his car over there, and he
And said hi to you all.
yes.
Isn't that wonderful?
It was
Yeah, it was
amazing.
very
moment.
amazing,
That was the
and,
first time that, I saw my PM straight away face to face, and I'm so happy today. This time would never maybe come again, but this is the best time. I'm just
We
very
traveled 1500 kilometers, but there is no like any pain or anything, as we have met Prime Minister and he waved us. That was
We are
more
from
than enough.
Punjab.
It made it all worthwhile, right?
job basically. So we want to beat all those people, all parties who are in the Punjab, and just get together BJP, as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you. We have with us Dr. Kapila, who I believe has been here in Sydney for over 35 years. We would like to ask you, Dr. Kapila, you've obviously seen a lot of changes, the Indian community here, their mindsets, the progress that we've made over here as Indians settled abroad. Would you like to share with us your journey in the last 35 years and how you think things have emerged and changed?
Thank you, Lalita ji. Actually, I've been here almost for 45 years. And when I came to Sydney, there were only about 12 or 14 people. And there was no opera house at that time. And there was very hard time because there was very few Indian shops where you can buy Indian food and look at the Indian movies and have it stay in touch with the Indian, our own country. But now it's almost like a mini India here. It's good to see people how the Indians have contributed into Australian economy, and also both academically as well as socially, they are very well respected. And I'm very proud of us, and that's why I'm here today.
You're also supporter of Modi ji, I suppose.
Yes, of course. I think, you know what? I think I have got a few words to say that Modi can move India. Modi can manage India. Modi can modify India. Don't you think all these things are correct?
Absolutely. I'm sure the 20,000 odd people that are here would totally agree with you. So thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome. Thank you.
Again, and we are this time inside the All Phones Arena. We have the pleasure of having with us Akash as well, amongst a host of Indian media that's already here. Akash represents CNN IBN, CNBC and IBN 7. We met him a while ago outside. There was a lot of excitement out there. There's a lot of excitement in here now. Yes. A host of cultural programs have already started. There's anticipation in the air. The seats are fast filling up. There's a lot of energy. And some of you over here might have heard this song that someone sung on stage just now, which was Jahan Dal Dal Par Sone Ki Chidiya Karti Hai Basera.
Dal Dal Par Sone Ki चिड़िया करती है बसेरा
वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा. This song had the audience clapping and waving Indian flags. You can see the excitement and the positive energy around. We are waiting with bated breath for the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to appear, and everybody is waiting while we enjoy the cultural show that's being put up here for us. Akash, how do you feel now?
It's amazing. It's a wonderful feeling. I was very far away in India when Madison Square event took place. So I really wanted to go and see firsthand what happens inside. What happens when the atmosphere is so electric. So as an Indian, I had to come and feel this because the love that the people here in Australia are giving. Indian Americans, Indian Australians, as well as the Australians who've been here for a very long time. It's amazing. I mean, Modi Express was given a green signal practically everywhere. That's why it could reach from Melbourne to Sydney in 8 hours. So there were special preparations everywhere. And this is because they are best mates. Tony Abbott and Narendra Modi. Of course, Tony Abbott loves to call him by his first name, Narendra, which is pretty informal and nice.
We are so used to saying Tony G, Modi G,
Exactly. So, welcome Narendra is just the start. And if they have that level of comfort, then they can take not only G20, but the whole world further in a very beautiful way, because just as Narendra Modi said, As far as Mahatma Gandhi is concerned, when he was born, a whole era was born. And India can lead the world into that era. That is
Exactly.
what Modi can do, India can do.
And a lot of his thoughts reflect Mahatma Gandhi's vision. So we're really hoping that he's going to make it all happen. And we are very happy to be part of this. It really makes us, Akash is based in India and we are here in Sydney. It really makes us feel like one team, it makes us feel united, right?
Certainly it does. The boundaries have just melted. I was talking to some Dawoodi Bohra Muslims in a mosque yesterday, and there was a lady from Pakistan, there was a gentleman from Pakistan, and they're coming here, they're sitting somewhere here, and they are listening to Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India. They have received calls saying, why are you going to listen to Mr. Modi? They said, we want to go and listen to him. We have an open mind. And they already like him.
It's such a positive feeling, really. I'm so much looking forward to this visit as much as you are. We're really waiting for him to appear now and address the audience. And what are you telling the Indian media just now and the Indian audience? You're covering this event live, right?
Yes, we've been meeting small children right from the age of 5 years, 6 years. And in fact, with the Dawoodi Bohra families, there are kids who are just like 2 or 3 years old. They're here right now sitting. None of the children are shouting. You can't take a kid to a movie. But the atmosphere is so beautiful. And just listen to this chant. Well, it's amazing. You have to be here to feel it. You can, of course, get a vicarious experience through us.
Absolutely. Well said, Akash. And we truly believe that Mr. Modi is here to transform India. He's here to transform the way the world looks at India. We have here Balesh, who's one of the organizers, and Desi TV Australia and ABC Australia's representative, Connor, want to talk to him. Balesh, tell us about how your experience has been organizing this whole event.
Oh, this was really exciting experience to organize such a grand event. I was one of the organizers and I learned a lot. And the best thing of this organizing this event is to basically see Modi ji himself. And right now, as we speak, Modi ji is meeting with dignitaries inside. So, and at any moment, we'll see Modi ji here on the stage, and it will be amazing experience for not only me, for every Indian inside and out living in Australia.
You met the Prime Minister 3 times today. How is he enjoying his visit?
It was awesome experience. It was completely out of the world experience. Yes.
He likes Australia.
I can't explain in words.
And he went to do some yoga today. Is that right?
Yeah. We are hoping those announcements. Actually, we are hoping number of announcements to increase to make the relationship between India and Australia better. Yoga and other soft powers from India is one of them. Yeah.
For how long have you been working on this event? For how long has the work started a while ago? I
got only 6 weeks to prepare for this event and see the result. It's in front of you. But yeah, we got massive support from whole community. So we are proud of that.
How close would you like to see the relationship between Australia and India become?
It's only going to get better. It's only going to get better. In trade, in culture, in politics, everywhere we are hoping best.
Right. Cool. That's all we need.
This is turning into a full house event. Do you feel all your efforts have been now worthwhile the way you see it culminating?
It's good to see smiling faces, 16,000 smiling faces inside, yeah.
And the presence of Australian media really enhances the...
Media have been really supportive and really excited as well for whole event. So that's really pleasant to see, yeah.
How has it been for you, Connor, just covering the whole event?
It's been fantastic. We went down to Melbourne and we got on the Modi Express last night, so it's really great insight for us to understand, why people feel so passionately about Mr. Modi and learn, a lot about India in a couple of days.
Wow, isn't that fantastic? You got to be on the Modi Express. We didn't, so we'll be hearing it from you and seeing it in your eyes. So is it all very refreshing, very different? Have you ever seen anything of this kind happen?
No, not at all. I've covered Australian elections and they tend to be a lot blander and a lot less interesting. So it was fantastic to see so much colour and noise and sound. Maybe went a little too late into the night. Would have been better to get some more sleep, but apart from that, it was great.
Wonderful. We look forward to covering the rest of the event together. Cool. So good luck to the India-Australia Association growing stronger.
That's right. Yeah, I hope so.
Thank you. We are back here with Raman Balaji. We spoke to him earlier when we were outside the All Phones Arena. Now we are in here, and as the excitement is building up, we just want to ask him again how he's feeling about this event. This is Raman Bala once again, who's the Liberal candidate from Blacktown, right? From Blacktown. He's going to be in the elections next year. So how's it going? How's it been since we last spoke?
Absolutely. It's phenomenal. We just had one-to-one interaction with Prime Minister Modi just a few minutes ago. He's a rock star. He's a rock star of politics. But he's so inspirational. Just unbelievable. If you can hear the sound behind me, he's fantastic. and people just can't wait. Actually,
How did you met him one on one? How did it go? What did he say?
he didn't say, and it was just it's an opportunity just to shake hand and take a picture. Possibly, didn't have the one-on-one interaction yet, but the vibe he gives is great.
It's the energy that he brings and his charisma that you can sense just by being there, right?
That's exactly right. He brings a lot of energy to the room, and people get excited. That's what the Modi wave is about. Sure.
The countdown has started, and we are waiting for him to come in and address us. So good luck to everybody here. Anything else you want to share with us, Raman?
Hopefully, we can bring the same energy to the Blacktown electorate. I'm Raman Bala as a Liberal candidate for Blacktown. I hope we can re-energize the electorate the same way.
We hope so too. Thank you, Raman. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us. We've got Karishma with us, who's the Labour candidate and who's going to be fighting the elections next year from which constituency was it? Holsworthy, right? Yeah. How do you feel being here?
It feels amazing. I think having 16,000 people come together for one cause, all because they want to see a better India. They have that hope that India will improve. It's such an amazing feeling. The atmosphere here is great.
And when it comes to Mr. Modi's vision for India, do you see it translating into action in India, and how are you going to contribute to it if you were to win the elections here?
I think being in terms of Modi ji, he first of all, it's so important that he has the motivation to make things like toilets before temples. Like that is a way to contribute to the improvement of people's daily lives in India, and that's why I think so many people have connected with his vision, because they can actually see how it plays out in their day-to-day lives. In terms of how I can contribute from here, would be very happy to do anything that I can. I mean, India is part of my culture, my background. It's in my blood, and so I would love to see India prosper just as much as I want to see Australia prosper, which is why I'm standing for elections next year.
Do you know how many Indians there are, more or less, in the Holsworthy constituency?
There's about 5% of the entire electorate which is of Indian background, so that's close to 3,000 people.
That's about as many people as we have over here today.
Actually, I've heard that there's about 16,000 people have got tickets for this event, so it's huge.
That's wonderful. Good luck to you, and we hope you enjoy the event as much as we are looking forward to enjoying it. And good luck for the elections next year.
Thank you so much. I've already been enjoying it very, very much. The performances are fantastic.
थैंक यू करिश्मा, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग योर थॉट्स विद अस। मोदी जी का विजिट अभी अभी खत्म हुआ है और लोग इस ऑडिटोरियम से निकल रहे हैं, तो हम जरा जानना चाहेंगे कि कैसे लगा उनको। आप लोग कितने बजे से आए हुए हैं यहाँ पर?
1 बजे आए थे, और हम हिंदू स्वयं सेवक के मेंबर हैं सब।
और कैसा लगा आपको आज मोदी जी का एड्रेस?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, वेरी नाइस स्पीच, एंड ही टॉक अबाउट द क्लीनिंग डिवोशन अबाउट इंडिया फॉर, एंड ही वर्क फॉर, एंड वी ऑल इंडियन पीपल ज्वाइन, सो वी फील वेरी प्राउड।
तो आप खुश हैं आपका 1 बजे से यहाँ आना और उनको सुनना सफल हुआ?
सुनना, घूमे और नाच कर करके हमारा आवाज़ भी बैठ गया, इतना हम लोगों ने मोदी जी को सुना, एंजॉय किया और पैशनेटली सब सुना। और हम ट्राई भी करते हैं, जब वो इलेक्शन में खड़े थे तो इंडियन लोगों को, हमारे जो दोस्त थे ऑल ओवर इंडिया, यहाँ तो मल्टी कल्चर है, तो उसको बोला कि भाई आप अपने फैमिली जो वहाँ है, हम तो सिटीजन है, वोट नहीं कर सकते जैसे मोदी जी ने बोला, पर लोगों को बोला था कि आप वहाँ वोट करो, यूथ को स्पेशली, और वो लोगों ने किया भी, उसके फैमिली वालों ने, तो हमारा पूरा योगदान है।
आप लोगों ने पूरी तरह से कंट्रीब्यूट किया यहाँ रहते हुए भी। दैट्स रियली वंडरफुल, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक्स मैम।
Are you based in Sydney?
Yes, I'm a GP in Sydney.
And you heard the entire address by Mr. Modi?
Sorry?
You heard the entire address? You were here throughout?
Yes, we were here. We were here longer than 2 hours. We came at 2:30 and we've been here ever since.
You watched all the cultural programs and everything. So overall, can you sum it up for you? How do you feel?
Most energetic, most inspiring, and it was not a political kind of atmosphere. It was like an uncle has come and he's reassured us about our mother's home. You know, and it's a very nice, reassuring feeling, and I feel very comfortable that Mr. Modi is there. You know, he'll take care of things. You know, and a lot of questions that we wanted to ask him, he has answered, like the POI, the OCI, and all those issues we wanted to verify with him, but no opportunity. But he himself has talked about it. We are very happy with today's event, and I'm so glad that I came.
So if I say that, there's new hope for India and the visit exceeded your expectations, would you agree?
Yes, I would say yes, absolutely. The cleanliness, what is most important, the cleanliness in India is first in priority. If it does that, India will be like Australia, anywhere in the world.
And I feel that Mr. Modi has lifted us up in the worldly ratings. You know, we have respect, we have a dignity, and a lot of things. You know, we can hold our head up high because Mr. Modi is there.
You feel proud?
Yes, we feel very, very proud, and a very nationalistic feeling is there. And of course, you know, India is our motherland, our mother's house. You know, and we feel reassured about all these things now, and we have a lot of faith in Mr. Modi. And all I could feel when he was saying what he was going to do for India, the reforms, whenever he talked of any reform, I'd say, God bless him, give him the strength to carry on this reform.
And you believe that he'll keep his commitment?
Absolutely, yeah. 100% will do that.
Keep it, yes.
100 days, you count 100 days.
Yes.
In January, everything will happen, and Gandhi will come back again. In 1919, he'll be back.
2019.
He'll be back, and you'll see India much better.
I think that's a sentiment that we all of us echo here. By and large, everyone went back with the same feeling, isn't it?
Yes.
That's really wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
I'm GP, and Rani is my wife.
Thank you, Jupi and Rani. Thank you for being here. When Mr. Modi walked in, we were expecting him to get onto the stage, and instead he walked towards the audience. And then we heard this announcement saying that he's shaking hands with Mr. Ramesh Chandra. And we actually have the pleasure of having Mr. Ramesh Chandra with us. We would like to talk to him about how this happened. How did you manage to express a wish to meet him and actually met him? Because I'm sure so many of us would love to meet him if we got a chance. How did it happen?
It's very interesting. I made this thing I went on reading all about his success and other things, and I just wanted to compile with some sort of pictures and my own reaction about his success, and I made it, and while making it only I was enjoying. I know I can't do any further thing. I try to send shows to some of these BJP people, and they are not, they did not feel so much of, oh, it must come. They took it very lightly, and then I tried again. I tried one of my friend. These are the things. Then they say very good. Then why can't you bring these things, something to show? Then some people from journalists, they came and saw these things, and they immediately, why can't you show to Mr. Modi? You just contact him. He will definitely use it. Then I contact these people only contacted this fellow, and they sent all these things to him. He immediately telephoned to my residence. You should come and just meet me here. And I instructed these people to bring this fellow and just meet him. That was the interest.
So how was that moment when you shook hands with him?
Very fantastic. In my life, it's such an interesting thing. It's not usual. Such a.
You've been a supporter of Mr. Modi for very long now?
Yes, very. He's a dynamic personality. You can't just. And I appreciate it. That he's a good. He is a dynamic man. I guess.
That's really wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. We really appreciate it. The long-awaited wait is finally over, and Mr. Modi just left the Allphones Arena. We're just talking to a few people as to what he left behind, how they're feeling about it. When he left, there was all this cheer and applause and chanting, and there we are. He's gone, and he's left all of us inspired and transformed. And here are a couple of people who have a few things to say. How do you feel?
I'm feeling great. I'm Abha Jain. I'm representing Sydney Jain Mandal, president of Sydney Jain Mandal, and I got a privilege to be part of the special invitation, and I was able to get a selfie with Mr. Modi, and so that was a great moment, and to be part of this function. And patriotism came, and we feel that we are in India. So that's great.
Right, all of us feel that way, don't we? Out of the things that he said, a lot of things that he spoke about dignity of labor, and he spoke about cleanliness. What is it that appealed to you the most, and why?
I felt very strongly when he tried to share with us some of the views we have as non-resident Indians, and when we do go back to India, we can see all the opportunity there is. So he brought to the light all that we can do as well and participate from here and when we go to India. And I really like the fact that he made it easier for my friends, or Australian friends, to get to India and enjoy themselves as a tourist and to collaborate as well.
Since you mentioned you would like to contribute, would you actually consider going into that website the web address that he provided and do something?
Yeah, I can't wait to log on tonight. So
What are you going to do? Complain or give suggestions or what?
I think I'll do a bit of everything. Hopefully some opportunities which I can point out, and we can all work on together and make it a better India for all of us.
Wonderful. So we'll watch out for your comments on that website. What was your name again?
My name is Rajiv Jain, and I had this wonderful pleasure of working with the IACF to put together this event, and I hope all your viewers at Desi really enjoyed the event. So have a great evening. Bye-bye.
We sure did.
Decorating team.
Oh, that's wonderful. It looks so beautiful in there, right?
Red carpet for Modi ji.
He did. And he walked on it. Isn't that wonderful? Thank you so much for sharing your views. Thank you. We have Mr. Vinod Parmar here, who's actually not exactly Mr. Modi's supporter. So it'll be interesting to get his views on how he felt about the visit. So tell us more.
I think I supported Kejriwal for some time and still support it. What we see here is a leadership in action, so there's no doubt Modi has proven that point. So he is a world-class leader. So the question becomes what party he has behind, whether he can have the similar replication and succession after Modi. So it's a personality impact which has made a big difference, and it's surprising, and it's really being proud as well. An Indian can get that kind of support in a foreign land. Which is a credit to Modi, but we still have to see the promises being made to be delivered and see action, especially whether his party comes behind him. How many more Modis we have in BJP, that's a main question here. But today was fantastic, so not every day you shake hand with Prime Minister of a country of 1 billion people, and that's a credit to the person who is humble, down to earth. He met everybody, so really happy. So as a leader, India has got a leader. As the question is whether the party can follow through.
Do you think it will?
I think leadership is there, so it's a matter of getting the people behind. Supporters are there, youth is supporting him. It's the middle couple of members under him which need to change.
Which needs to change. Would you like to say a little bit more about this?
So if a person who has got a clear track record of delivery, and we have got criminals still working for him in his party, and a lot of that came from a corrupt Congress party as well. So we had to see, can he get people like him with him rather than just to get the numbers in the parliament to
Absolutely. Absolutely. And we have a feeling he will do that, right? He seems to mean what he says.
I think the person has action and a commitment. He is not selling big dreams. He is selling something he can do, which is in his control, getting small things which are going to make a big difference.
Thank you so much. That's a nice way of ending this, doing small things to make a big difference. So we really hope it does. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts.